said, keep the cell phone to silent or vibrate. No ringing, no beeping, no movement, please.
Following the matter of the state, this is Mapisa-Ngakula, case number CC33 of 2020.
As the court pleases, my lord.
Mr.
I appear for the state. Surname is Manyati, M-A-N-Y-A-T-H-I, initials B-F, together with Miss D. Ramsamy.
Yes.
May it please your lordship. Lord, I appear together with my learned friend, Mr. Kirk Phillips, to be instructed by Mr. Stephen May. As your lordship pleases.
Yes.
My lord, the position is that the state has disclosed the A section of the docket, that is the evidence in the lower court. It was indicated in the lower court that the defense seeks disclosure of the B and C sections of the docket, as well as the pocketbooks of the police officers involved in the matter.
When was that, Mr. Manyati?
My lord, unfortunately, I do not have the date, but it was in the law court during the bail application.
And why was this application not done in the lower court?
My lord, the judiciary, or rather, I should rather say the magistracy in the lower court has case law management timelines, and the default position is that if a matter is going to be ultimately tried in the High Court, they would rather it be gotten rid of their role and all preliminaries be dealt with in the High Court in terms of their turnaround times per their case law management.
I'm asking this question out of concern. Why is the matter transferred to this court whereas it's not trial ready?
My lord, we were told by we did liaise with the role coordinator at the office of the DPP, and we were informed that the norm is that on first appearance it's enrolled on the pre-trial role, so that if there are any preliminary issues that need to be dealt with, they are dealt with on the pre-trial role, and only when it's trial ready it's then transferred to the trial role.
Yes, so what is the position?
The position is that by agreement between the parties, the defense wants to bring a substantive application in the criminal court before my lord for disclosure of the B and C sections as well as the pocket books. By mutual agreement, we have set a date. If it pleases my lord, it will be before this court. Date of hearing of the application is 5 December. And again, by mutual agreement, we ask my lord to set timelines. The defense to file the application by 28 October. 28 October.
Yes.
The state respondent to file the answering papers by 15 November.
Yes.
And the applicant defense to file the replying affidavit, if any, by 25 November.
Yes.
And heads to be filed by the 2nd of December by both parties.
Yes. That is all.
Yes, that is all.
Yes, Counsel.
May it please your lordship. My lord, it just may be for record purposes. I didn't repeat my name as my learned friend did, so your lordship knows, but for record purposes it's Willis, initials RS. My lord, I confirm what Mr. Manyati has told you. His explanation is such as it is. Those dates have been agreed, and we will then be heard on the 5th of December.
Yes.
We agree with the postponement. Thank you.
Yes.
My lord, Mrs. Mapisa-Ngakula is out on bail. May her bail be extended with the same conditions that were explained in the lower court. 5 December, back before my lord in this court.
Yes. Media, if you stand up. What language are you speaking, man? Language? Xhosa. Yes. Are you going to interpret? I've been informed by your council and the state council that there are certain sections of the docket that was not disclosed to your defense counsel. So your council want to make an application for the disclosure of such section. It's section B and C of the case of the docket. I'm sorry.
Ukhona ke ingxenye ezithile kwi-docket elo elikulathele ityala eli ekubonakala uba igqitha lakho kunezo zinto ezithile angakhange uyazinikwa ngabezotshutshisi. Singenile isicelo into yokuba ucela ezo nkcukacha ngokupheleleyo ngokuphelela kwazo ukwenzela uba nayo zikwazi ukwenza umalungiselelo etyala.
I'm not satisfied about this arrangement because these are the things that should have been done in the lower court before this matter is transferred to this court.
Andanelisekanga ke ngala malungiselelo ngoba yonke le nto ibigqitywa ukukhankanywa apha ifanele uba yenziwe kulaa nkundla ingezazo okanye kulaa nkundla yakhonatshi ngaphambi kokuba ityala eli libe lisiswa apha.
Matters must be transferred to this court when they are trial ready.
Inkqubo ke ihamba ngolu hlobo. Amatyala xa athi athunyelwe kulena ibuntu athunyelwa sekugqityiwe kulungiselelwa into yokuba ityala libe liyaxoxwa. Hayi uba kusekho izinto ezithile ezisaqhwalelayo ezingekagqitywa.
But in the interest of justice, I'm amenable to grant this request.
Kodwa ke ngenxa yezokulungisa ndiyazinikela ukuba ndisamkele isicelo esi.
Your counsel is going to file a substantive application for such a request on the 28th of October 2024.
Igqwetha lakho ke lizawuthi liqinisekise into yokokubana kusuka ngoku kuya kumhla wama-28 kule nyanga sikuyo ku-Oktoba uzawube sesifakile isicelo eso.
The state is going to answer to that request on the 15th of November 2024.
Ze ke abezotshutshisi baphendule kweso sicelo ngomhla we-15 kwinyanga kaNovemba.
If there are issues raising the answering affidavit that your counsel needs to address, they must file their reply on the 25th of November 2024.
Ukuba zikhona ezinye izinto ezithile ezizabangela into yokokubana kube khona ingxoxiswano ke kuzawunyanzeleka into yokuba igqitha lakho liphendule kwezo sicelo okanye kwezo zinto ngaphambi komhla we-25 of November.
25 November, yes.
Nge-25 zikaNovemba abe selephendulile kwezo zinto mhlawumbi zizawuthi zinikeze amaphulo sazi.
Your counsel and the state councillors also agreed to exchange heads of arguments by the 2nd of December 2024.
Bavumelene ke abezotshutshisa kwakunye negqitha lakho into yokuba ukuyokuma ngomhla wesibini kwinyanga kaDisemba bazawube sebezifakile intloko kumcimbi wengxoxiswano.
And then I will hear this application on the 5th of December 2024.
Aze ke yena ujaji asive isicelo esi ngomhla wesihlanu kwinyanga kaDisemba kwenyanga.
You understand, ma'am?
Understood.
Yes.
Thank you.
So this matter is adjourned until the 5th of December 2024. Your bail is extended on same conditions. 10 o'clock you must be here because if you are not here, I'm going to issue a warrant for your arrest.
Siyakunqumamisa ityala sabonana ngomhla wesihlanu kwinyanga kaDisemba ngentsimbi yeshumi. Imiqathango ke yebhili yakho isami ngokunjalo bayo qiniseka uba ulapha ngeyeshumi uba ukho nenkundla iyawugunyazisa incwadi into yobana mawubanjwe. Thank you.
Yes.
Yes, my lord, please, may we be excused?
Yes.
Thank you.
Court adjourns.
All right.